Hello friends, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, we are changing our TikTok password in order to help some of you out there who are worried about someone knowing your password or just want to make your account secure by changing the password. To do so, go to your TikTok app and click it open. In the bottom right corner, click to your profile icon, tap on the three dots on the top right corner, click to manage my account. Now tap on password, enter the 4-digit code sent to your mobile number, create a password, click next. Your password is changed. That is it guys, it's pretty simple, isn't it? You changed your TikTok password. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you think it was of some help, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this. I'll see you soon. Again, goodbye.